Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are taken into the home page, just click on the search box and type in Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check the trailer and the reviews as well. Now scroll down and click on Add to Cart alongside the bundle that you would like to purchase. You can then click on the View My Cart button and then click on Continue to Payment. Now you can just choose your preferred payment method from the drop-down menu. After this, just provide the credentials of the payment method that you have chosen. Once your transaction is completed, the game will then be added to your library and you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. Once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.